Our new West Wing has been an excellent addition to our facilities, and we are already seeing an impact on the quality of the educational experience for students in all areas of our school. Our teachers have been especially vocal about the additional opportunities the spaces have provided, and we look forward to sharing these stories in the months to come.
One of the greatest things I think that's happened since we've moved into this new building is we're on one level, on one floor, and all the classrooms are interconnected, which is fantastic. It means that parents from all the different age groups can actually mix and mingle, which we didn't have the space for in the old buildings.
One of the benefits of these new spaces is it actually allows all our students to really spread out and create works that are outside of their sketchbooks.
The students love the fact that they can take the elevator up to gym. It also means they get to their specialist classrooms on time, which is very helpful.
I really like how the tables and the chairs, they all have wheels and they're super mobile. It can suit your needs to whatever you want.
We sort of have our own space as a middle school.
Like when you go in the morning, everyone's there. And you see the sun rising at the same time and the cars coming in from the parking lot. And then you have that feeling that today's gonna be a good day.
It was actually really amazing to be involved in the whole process, from the idea to the development to the actual physical layout of the spaces. And it was really great to bring those ideas from the students forward to the architects, who were then able to design the spaces that were just the right fit for us.
The voices of the early years teachers and the needs of teachers who teach very young kids was heard, made a big difference in terms of ensuring that we had the items that we need and the physical setup that we needed to make sure that it was optimal for learning and activities at such a young age.
The work on the renovations of the vacated classrooms are well underway, and over spring break, we began relocating some classes into these areas of the school to make way for the new junior school specialist facilities in science, in design, in art, and in languages. This work will continue until the end of the summer vacation.